Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake blueberry cheesecake. Sounds delicious? Let's get started. Place crumbs in a mixing bowl. Then I'm gonna add some white granulated sugar. I'm gonna add some lemon zest. It's totally optional, but since I'm making blueberry cheesecake, the lemon flavor in the crust, it's really delicious. Now I'm gonna add some melted butter. To mix it, you can do it with the same spatula or tablespoon. I'm gonna be using cake board. This is just paper. I'm placing cake cream, and I'm gonna be using plastic cake color. And I'm gonna link all my tools below this video. And now, using the same spatula or your hands, we're gonna form crust. Just move those crumbs to the border. You can also use a cup measure. Just kind of press to the border. This is actually the easiest way I found lately, because before I was using just a regular spoon. Just to speed up a little bit process. Just like this. Make sure you press in the middle of this crust and sides. And now we're gonna place this crust into refrigerator. Time to make cheesecake filling. In the mixing bowl, stand mixer, I'm gonna add cream cheese. I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. The cream cheese is room temperature. And I'm adding some white granulated sugar. I'm gonna use pedal attachment, and I'm gonna beat for about 1 to 2 minutes. A few minutes later, looks like this. In the same mixing bowl, I'm gonna add some lemon juice. And I like to use strainer just to make sure there is no seeds left. And in the same mixing bowl, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And now I'm gonna put back in my KitchenAid, and I'm gonna mix it again, just until all incorporated. You can also use spatula, just scrape down some sides of the mixing bowl and make sure everything on the bottom, all that sugar mixed. In a separate mixing bowl, I'm gonna add some cold heavy cream. And I'm gonna add powdered sugar. When I'm adding powdered sugar, I'm always sifting. I just want to make sure there is no clump or anything left in my dessert from this powdered sugar. Now I'm using hand mixer and I'm gonna whip this heavy cream. I'm starting slowly and then I'm gonna increase the speed. Now it's ready. This is the consistency we need. We have two bowls, one with the cream cheese mixture. I'm just mixing a little bit with the spatula, just making sure there is nothing left on the bottom and on the sides. And we have another mixing bowl with the whipped cream. And in about 2-3 parts, I'm gonna add whipped cream to cream cheese mixture. And using spatula, I'm gonna be mixing. It's like you will make macaronage when you bake macarons. That's what we're looking. And I'm gonna add more, my second part. I'm not doing this with a mixer because I want to have this fluffiness, the cheesecake. Just like this. And I'm gonna pour all this cheesecake mixture into this crust. I'm using spatula just to put this cheesecake mixture on the sides. And it's up to you how you like it. If you want this cheesecake mixture go over this boards, it's fine, or you wanna put more in the middle, it's up to you. I like to cover boards from the top. Just use spatula or spoon to level up this cheesecake mixture. If you need, you can turn this form. Just like this. And now I'm gonna put back in the refrigerator, and it's gonna stay overnight. And tomorrow I'm gonna decorate with the blueberry sauce and we can enjoy it. In a medium saucepan, I'm gonna add some water. And then I'm gonna add some cornstarch. I'm gonna whisk it. I'm dissolving cornstarch first. Just want to make sure there is no clumps gonna be in my sauce. Then I'm adding sugar. Just stirring everything. And I'm gonna add fresh blueberries. I just rinse them before adding to the saucepan. I'm also gonna add some lemon juice and lemon zest. This will give me more flavor for my sauce. Now I need to cook this blueberry sauce over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. I need blueberries to release juice, and the sauce needs to become thicker. Now it's been about 5 minutes. I cooked my blueberry sauce. You see how beautiful it looks? It's got thicker. And just don't cook for too long. I like to have whole berries in a sauce. And also note, when you're gonna cool this blueberry sauce, it's gonna become more thicker. So right now sauce is hot and we need to leave at room temperature, or you can place in a fridge just to speed up a little bit this process, and then we can decorate our cheesecake.